How to turn on or turn off RCS chats for text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Messages app and click on this profile icon. Scroll down and click on Message Settings. After click on Message Settings, you will see first option is RCS chats. Click on RCS chats and you will see if you want to turn off RCS chats, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see RCS chats is turned off. If you want to turn on RCS chats, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see RCS chats is turned on. You will turn on or turn off RCS chats from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off RCS chats for text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.